Are you just starting off on your GLP-1 journey? Well, I've been on it for about 1 month now. I wanted to share the coffee that I've been making every day. I feel like I've been pretty lucky. Like, I haven't really had too bad of side effects. One thing I noticed is that when I was drinking coffee in the morning after I started taking Zepbound, I would throw up. It was just like, felt like too harsh on my stomach. I've never really been like a big breakfast person. I just don't really have an appetite until around like lunchtime. So before the shot, I was just drinking coffee, but I couldn't really do that now since it was making me feel nauseated. So I figured out that by adding protein into my coffee, I could still have my coffee, and it was really helping me to meet my protein goals. I figured out a way where it tastes really good. It's pretty easy to make, and this coffee has 47 grams of protein. It's important to make sure you're getting enough protein so that you don't lose muscle as you're going through your weight loss journey. And of course it's important to exercise, etc., but the protein protects your muscles, so we need to make sure we're getting enough. I have this blend. It's like the Nescafe Golden instant espresso, and then I also mix it with like an organic instant coffee. And I like this a lot because I usually only have 1 cup of coffee a day. I used to deal with like a French press, and it was just kind of a pain to clean up and deal with like grounds every day, and I wouldn't even drink all of the coffee. So I like this because you can just make it as needed, and it tastes really good, and it still has the same amount of caffeine in my opinion. If I drink more than one of these, I will get jacked up. Do as your preference. I do, initially when I was having more nausea, I'd only do 1 scoop. Now I do 2 because I wanted a little more caffeinated, you know what I mean? And then this is the best, this liquid stevia from Trader Joe's. I've been buying this for years now, and it's so convenient because you literally just put like, I do 8 drops. That's like for a bigger cup, so I do a little bit more. But this stuff is like super potent, and you don't have to worry about it like dissolving like normal sugar. Some people, I don't know, I don't think it has a chemical taste. I tried other brands liquid stevia, and that's the only one that I think is like really effective. It tastes really good. It mixes in really easily. Okay, now here is our first source of protein in this coffee is the Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I do 4 tablespoons, which is 18 grams of protein. And I've been experimenting with different ways to take this collagen. Supposedly it's flavorless. I tried it with just in water, and I did not like the taste. It had some kind of taste, but when you mix it with like coffee or a smoothie or whatever, I think it tastes fine. It can be kind of hard to mix it. I'm trying to find different ways, but when I do it like this, there's not really any issue because it'll dissolve, because I'm gonna put hot water in here now. So I got coffee, collagen, stevia. There it is. Hot water in the coffee and collagen, and I don't want a whole lot because I'm gonna do this as an iced coffee. You could do it as hot coffee too, but it's summertime right now and it's hot, so I'm not adding that much. If you want to do hot coffee, you can add a little more, but I'm trying to keep it kind of minimal because it's gonna be harder to cool this down if it's just full of like hot water. So since you're putting like the hot liquid, the collagen will dissolve without any issue. Okay, now that that's good and mixed up, I'm gonna add just a splash of this coffee creamer. It's 25 calories for 1 tablespoon. It doesn't have protein or anything, but it just tastes really good. This is a brown sugar. This is like my favorite coffee creamer. This stuff is like so addicting, just to give it a little extra flavor. And I'm gonna add a little bit of ice to start getting this like cup cooled down. I just want to get this hot coffee cooling ASAP, so that because then the glass itself is going to get hot too, and I don't really want that. Get that ice cooling this off, and then now we're going to add Fairlife, which has 30 grams of protein. Now I didn't have this vanilla Fairlife for a while, so one of the things I was doing before is I would mix like protein powder with soy milk, or you can use regular milk, and then just mix like a small amount of that together, and then you're using that as it's basically kind of like the creamer, but that's how we're going to up the protein as well. Okay, now I'll give it a little mixy mix. Oh, you know what else I have too, just to be extra? I have this Diablo. It's like sugar-free. It's also vegan. 70 calories per 2 tablespoons. You want to give it just a little... I should have done it around like the rim of the glass too. That would be better, but yeah. So now I can drink my coffee in the morning. It tastes as good as like Starbucks in my opinion, if not better. And it's got 48 grams of protein. Yeah, so it's gonna keep me full until lunchtime, and it's gonna help with my side effects because I won't feel nauseated drinking this. So if you try it, let me know. Cheers.